If you've been served with a lawsuit, what should you do? Under Pennsylvania law, you're typically going to be served by the sheriff of the county in which you live or one of his deputies. You may also be served, if it's a federal case, by someone who's a private process server. Occasionally they'll show up at your door with flowers or pizza, or at least it pretends to be pizza. And then sadly, when you open the door, it's not pizza, it's a process server who hands you a lawsuit. Sometimes it's just somebody who shows up at your work and hands it to the receptionist at your office. There can be a lot of ways that you can get served. If you've been served with a lawsuit, you have tight deadlines to respond. In federal court, you may have only 21 days in most cases. In state court, you have 20 days, and then you get this weird 10-day grace period, so it's really more like 30 days. But if you have been served with a lawsuit, call an attorney right away. Consult with them about your options and talk about what it'll look like to defend the case. Another thing I would do is read the complaint. It's going to be filled with a lot of legalese. You may find it outrageous, even annoying. One of the things that I recommend to clients is sit and read it a few times. The first time you read it, you're going to be mad, you might be upset, you might cry, you might be angry, you might yell. Read it. Then go back through it and read it again. Take notes about it. Don't write on it. Get a good clean piece of paper and write on it separately. But take notes about what it is that's being said. Take notes about what things you're going to be able to prove are not true. Start gathering your evidence. If they say, this is the day I sent this email, go back and look at your emails. See what it says. See, did they email you? What was your response? Are they characterizing it correctly? All of that will help you as you talk to a lawyer and begin to develop your defense in the case, as well as whether you have any counterclaims to sue that person for. One of the biggest mistakes I see people make when they're served with a lawsuit is sit on it and do nothing. They freeze, they're upset, they're angry, they stress over it, they think about it, it keeps them up at night. These are all understandable responses, but what you want to do is get to work. You want to start working on it, get in touch with a lawyer. The more you do, the better you're going to feel about it. If you've been served with a lawsuit and have questions, call us at Cornerstone Law Firm. Let's talk to you about your options and how we can help you to defend your case.